Embarking on a journey towards better health and fitness often feels like setting sail against a relentless tide. The cyclical currents of lack of motivation catch many of us, leading to doubts about our ability to reach our goals. Misguided by waves of misinformation about diets, promising quick results, we drift further from our aims. Even when diving into workout routines, their inefficacy can leave us spinning in circles, no closer to a healthier lifestyle. Recognizing these obstacles is crucial, forming a foundation for a ship equipped with motivation sails, a nutritional information compass, and effective workouts as oars. This identification prepares us for the voyage ahead. You'll see how realistic goals, nutritional basics, and engaging workouts can steer us away from turbulent waters to the calm seas of healthy living, showing that with the right knowledge and tools, navigating these challenges is within our reach. Flowing from our understanding of the challenges, we delve into crafting solutions that resonate and inspire. The journey is often obscured by misinformation and unreachable goals. By setting attainable goals, simplifying nutritional basics into actionable steps, and embracing enjoyable workout plans, we pave a clear path. Imagine starting your fitness journey with achievable goals, simplifying nutrition into clear steps that fuel your body, and finding workouts that are pleasures, not chores. This approach not just steers us away from fleeting trends, but fosters sustainability and enjoyment. Moving forward, we'll transform these solutions into lived experiences. Living the change involves adopting these strategies into our daily routines, tracking progress, and building resilience against obstacles, marking a journey of empowerment and discovery, affirming our commitment to healthier, happier lives. As we delve deeper into transforming our lives, implementing lifestyle changes becomes about embedding these new habits into our daily routines. Becoming architects of our destiny, we make daily choices that align with our health goals, like choosing nutritious meals and being active. Measuring progress through tracking provides guidance through ups and downs. It's less about the scale and more about celebrating every healthy choice and completed workout, recognizing our resilience. Despite challenges and days when goals seem distant, it's our adaptability and perseverance that define us. Let setbacks become opportunities to strengthen our resolve. In concluding this narrative, remember the journey to a healthier lifestyle is ongoing. Use this as a stepping stone to a fulfilled life, highlighting the importance of daily commitment. The changes we adopt today enrich our future, inviting us to live the change every day.